Hey everybody, I'm Bradley and I'm the senior rec leader at the Edmonton Garrison, and I wanted to teach you guys some ukulele chords today. So let's get started. So the first chord that I wanted to teach you guys today was an F. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and you're going to put it on the second string of the first fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the fourth string of the second fret. The next chord that I wanted to teach you guys was a D major chord, and that one's just a little different than an F, but it's just adding another finger. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to take your index finger, put it on the second string of the first fret. You're going to take your middle finger and put it on the fourth string of the second fret, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the third string of the second fret right underneath. And then the last chord that I wanted to teach you guys today was a C major 7. So what you're going to do is all you're going to do is take your middle finger, put it on the first string of the second fret, and strum. And those are the 3 chords that I wanted to teach you guys today. So if there's anything that you guys want me to learn so that I'm able to teach you, just let me know. Any song will do, and I will do my absolute best. So I'll see you guys next time. Everyone stay safe.